Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with BambooHR for streamlined HR processes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, navigate to the BambooHR website. Look for the Get Started button on the home page. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your company name. Fill in your company name accurately. Next, provide your work email address. Make sure to use your professional email for registration. Then, create a password for your account. Choose a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Once your information is entered, click on the Sign Up button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the BambooHR website. Now, log in using the credentials you just created. You may be asked to fill out additional profile information. Complete your profile with accurate details. Next, you'll need to set up your company's account settings. Follow the prompts to customize your HR processes. Add your team members by navigating to the Users section. You can invite them via their email addresses. Set permissions and roles for each user as needed. Once your team is set up, explore the dashboard for available features. Familiarize yourself with tools like time-off tracking and performance reviews. Finally, take a moment to review the help resources provided. You're now ready to streamline your HR processes with BambooHR. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.